Today we are making 6 drinks that are perfect for October. We've got 3 mocktails and 3 fruities that you can serve your customers or your guest or yourself. Why not? I'll take you through each recipe step by step, so grab your shaker and let's get started. Our first mocktail is a Espresso Hazelnut mocktail. In your shaker, add 60 ml of hazelnut syrup, 80 ml of coffee, and 60 ml of sparkling water. Give this a good mix with one of our long mixing spoons. Add ice until it reaches the 500 ml line, and then shake until the outside of the shaker feels frosty. For the mocktails, I used a fancier glass because, we're making mocktails. So in your glass, add chocolate popping balls and then pour the drink over. You can also top this off with a layer of cream for a more cocktail style look and a few chocolate pieces on top to make it even better. In our YouTube shorts or on our TikTok page, you can find this version of this recipe, so make sure you take a look. Next, the Apple Sidra mocktail. Start with approximately 200 ml of Apple Sidra in a shaker cup. Apple Sidra is really famous in Taiwan. If you like apple flavored sodas like Apple Tizer or Almdudler, you'll like this one a lot. Then add sparkling water. I added around 200 ml. Then add 50 ml of lemon syrup and 50 ml of orange syrup. Then give this all a very good mix. Now take your serving glass and add a scoop of orange popping balls. You can see that next to the glass I put some orange and apple slices. Feel free to add these in or serve them as a snack on the side. This one's fun for Halloween parties. The color is great and you can serve them in a themed glass or give it a fun name like Poison Apple. Our third mocktail is a fancy chai. In a shaker, add 200 ml of hot water and then add 48 grams of Thai milk tea powder. You can make it more sweet by adding more sugar syrup if you prefer. Stir well, then add ice and shake. In your serving glass, add white tapioca pearls. These will look a bit more chic at the end. Then pour the tea on top and that is it. Your chai latte mocktail is done. It screams Halloween theme. The white pearls give it this different look. You could also try to dip the rim of the glass in brown sugar syrup and create this dripping effect. Go take a look on our YouTube shorts or on our TikTok page to see this version of our chai latte. Moving on to the fruities. Apple cinnamon fruity. Start with 200 ml of hot jasmine green tea in your shaker. Then add 45 ml of yellow apple syrup. Then add 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. If you like it sweeter, you can also add 15 to 30 ml of sugar syrup. Stir everything well with a long mixing spoon. If you use the hot tea base, the mixing just takes seconds. And now add ice until it reaches the 500 ml line. Give it a good shake until it's completely cooled down. In your serving cup, add 50 grams of strawberry popping balls. Of course, feel free to use any other flavor. We also have apple flavored popping balls. Add some apple slices and then pour in your fruity. You can cut them smaller so that they can be sucked up together with the popping balls and the tea. Top it off with some ice and a cinnamon stick. And that is it. It has October fruit flavors, it's cozy, the cinnamon makes it more homey, it's the perfect transition drink towards the winter season. Next is a orange and ginger fruity. Cut up a small piece of ginger. I did mine off camera, we'll use these later. Add 200 ml of hot jasmine green tea to your shaker, followed by 30 ml of orange syrup. Then add 50 ml of ginger syrup. I'm just adding 1 because we're also going to add the fresh ginger later on, so it's going to be strong. But again, add sugar syrup if you like it sweeter. Give it a good stir and then add ice until the 500 ml line and shake. In your serving cup, add 50 grams of orange popping balls. Add the previously cut orange pieces and ginger pieces. Again, feel free to cut them smaller or to use less or more. Pour in the tea. This one especially is nice if you let the ginger sit in the tea for a while before drinking it. It gives it more of a kick, but it's also perfect for this season. Especially as many people are getting sick, the ginger is really good. Now, the last one, cranberry and hibiscus fruit tea. Add 200 ml of hot jasmine green tea to your shaker and 30 ml of cranberry syrup. Then add 30 ml of hibiscus syrup. Stir that all together. And as before, add ice up to the 500 ml line and shake. In your serving cup, add 50 grams of pomegranate popping balls. Also add some pomegranate seeds. These are small, so it's easy to taste together with the rest of the tea. Pour the tea over and then top off with fresh orange slices. This is my favorite one. This one looks really nice in a clear glass. The pink purple color from the cranberries and hibiscus versus the orange is really perfect for autumn drinks. It looks nice on camera as well, so it's a really standout piece. And that's all the 6 drinks, perfect for October. If you try any of these recipes, let me know which one's your favorite. Feel free to also check out our Halloween inspired bubble teas in our YouTube shorts and our TikTok page. We're here with new videos every single week. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!